Hey everyone, Roger with the Plymouth Barracuda Club. Well, I've spent a few days now working on the hood for Project Barracuda, and you know, I rushed this job when I did it a few years ago. The hood skin I got had a hole cut in it because the E-body that it came from was a race car. It had a snorkel fiberglass scoop bolted to it, or riveted to it. I got the hood for free. You know, if I had to do this again, I would definitely do it with a hood skin that didn't have a hole in the middle of it. I'd have done the whole job a lot differently. Definitely butt welded the edges of the E-body skin to the original skin, and trying to fix some of these problems, trying to overcome them. There's just too much. There's too much warpage. There's low spots, high spots. I just can't overcome it. I've put all day yesterday, most of the day today, a few days last week into this, and I gotta call it. This hood is no more. Now, I'm gonna hang on to it. I'm not just gonna throw it away. I'm not gonna offer it to the lowest bidder, because someday I might come across a hood skin for an E-body 77 through 74 CUDA, and I might take the time and take this one off completely and start fresh. And then I can always paint it black, hang on to the hood or not. We'll see. But I have another 66 hood, untouched, that is going to go on the car. So there you have it. Project Barracuda is Barracuda with rally wheels, not rally hood. I'm just going to be putting too much time and effort into this hood, and I'm really trying to make some progress on the car. So at this point, I'll put a stock hood on. I'll be okay with it. The whole car will be done quicker. And it'll look good in the color I'm going to choose. And maybe, it gives me the opportunity to put some Formula S stripes on the car too. No, it's not a Formula S, but I don't care. It's my car. I'll do what I want. Well, figured I'd let you know. That's where I'm at. Toast. Thanks for watching.